Hello gang, we're getting closer. Look at all those chainsaws up there on the shelves. Yeah, and then over here as well. Let's do a quick run through. Poland 655, 562 XP Mark Deuce, Shindila 680, Poland Pro 325. Red Max G5000. This is the original OG of all the clone saws. Everything started with the Chinese cloned that saw. That's a Japanese made saw, but they cloned it. Anyways, it's a Zenoa branded Red Max. But anyways, Husqvarna 359. Boy, that thing scoots. Shindila 757. That is not Hellboy. Poland Pro 330 Type 3, which means that's actually a 60cc. Jansred 2171 Cutter's Edge. Solo 6656. Wow, can I really do this? Am I actually going to do this? Farm Hack. That is, it's the Farm Mac 372 XP. Shindila 601 SX. I'm done with this. I can't do it anymore. 084, 565, 4310. Anyways, I counted them up. And this is the closest I've ever gotten to being able to hang up all of my saws without any of them being on the floor. But we still have 4 here, 3 here that we don't know what to do with, and there's 2 or 3 in the other room over there. But I have got to get rid of some saws. This is redonkulous. I mean, what I counted in here, I think I had 82 saws, and they're complete and could be running projects. They're complete projects, but not all of them are running. But as far as the ones that are up on the shelves, almost every one of those run. You're hard pressed to find one that doesn't run. Seriously. Out of the 82 of them or so, there's probably only about 10 that don't run. So I have far too many chainsaws, guys. But the shop is coming along nicely. I really dig it. I like how they're all up there. Out of the way. Safe. Secure. Lot of Polands, man. These were all in no particular order. I just put them up there as I pulled them out of the bag. You guys haven't really gotten a good look at that one yet at all, because I haven't done anything with it. Anyways, all the totes are empty. Oh, look, I got my guns all displayed out. Not all of them, but Ruger 1022 on the right there, far left. Right next to it is just an old 20 gauge. It's just junk. A junk muzzle loader. Nice Dragon Claw. It's a Sam Yang Dragon Claw, if you guys are wondering. Look that thing up, 50 caliber air pistol. It's insane. That's what I learned to shoot on. It's an old M22. I think it's a Mossberg Army training rifle. That is a Marlin, I think. I don't know. trying to see. Yeah, Marlin. It's one of those where you put the 22 rounds right there and fill it up. Good little gun. Nice shotgun. There's a 12 gauge pump. Winchester. In here's my 30-30. That's a monopod. And that's a 22 pistol. There's some guns for you. And a camera stand. That's the monopod. It's not a tripod, it's a mono. Basically, it's just for standing there and holding, and directing. Yeah. I'm happy the shop's coming along. There's the stove is going to go right there. Got it 3 feet from the wall. Because, you know, these old stoves, you have to be, I'm pretty sure that's the rule, 3 feet from anything combustible. But right where it's going to go out the ceiling, directly above it, there's a light. Just like it's straight up, it's perfectly lined up. So that's 3 feet from the wall. Whatever. Still got a lot of work cut out for me, and but I'm getting there. Later. This is quite the new experience for me. I am out on Lake Chautauqua. This is crazy. I mean, I'm standing on water. I'm Jesus. It's wild. Some ice fishing huts right there. People already been ice fishing. I look forward to getting that experience, but I can't do it all the first winter that I'm here. You know, I'm just trying to adapt and figure everything out. It's cold right now. I think it's like 5 degrees. It was negative 11 this morning, but yeah, lake's frozen over. I could probably drive my truck out here. People have been driving something. Look at this. Probably snowmobiles and stuff like that. But yeah, it happened quick. One moment it was not frozen, and then the next moment it was. Crazy, and people are fishing, ice fishing. All right, I gotta climb this hill.